Hey there everybody, welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to use the assistant on Roblox Studio to create epic games as well. Let's get to it. Now the first step that we need to do over here, let's open up the base plate, let's give it some time, and once you're over here, make sure to go to File and Save to Roblox immediately. Let's call this game the AI game. Click Save. So once that's done, we just need to go to File and then we have to click on Beta Features. Now make sure that you have all these open. We'll be using the Assistant Preview. Scroll down, keep on going down. We'll also need to use the Texture Generator that enables AI powered textures, and I'll show you a bit more about those as well. And that's basically all. Click Save, and then we'll tell to restart. Make sure to restart this, because if you don't restart it, the beta features will not get activated. Now once that's all done, let's go ahead and click on Assistant, and I'll close the Properties window for now. What I'm going to do, we can ask it to... let's go ahead, let's add a part. I'll make it a bit bigger and let's anchor this. And let's set it to create a mossy cobblestone material. Basically whatever you tell it to do, it will be doing it as well for you. Now it's not always 100% accurate, but most of the time it's how you ask it. So if you ask it wrong, it won't do it right. So sometimes you have to keep asking it in different ways as well. And there we go, that's the first one. And I think this looks quite epic and super realistic as well. You can choose different ones as well. These are all different materials. And you can even use the stats per tile. So you can either have more or less. It's like zooming in and out. Well, that already looks quite good. But instead of that material, let's set to do create a realistic lava material. Now, notice that I've clicked on the part. Make sure that you click on the part as well. Otherwise, it will just place it in the material up here, and you need to find it. But like this, it will go directly into the part where you're clicking. Up. There we go. This looks good. Let's make this longer, and we can even then transfer this material to the base plate. There we go. Now let's also tell it, make this, so let's set it, add a script, so if the players touch the part, they get eliminated. Now let's see what this happens. Oops, I just noticed that I'm writing everything in caps lock. You don't have to write everything in caps lock. There it is, generating the script for us. If I click the small triangle next to the part, there we go, in a few seconds it wrote the whole script for us. And it seems to be all good. Let's test it out. I'll click play, and as soon as I touch the part, the player does get eliminated. And that just made it in a few seconds, while if we had to do it ourselves, that would have taken us at least 15 minutes to do it. Now the coolest part is we can tell it to do even more than just that. I'm going to add a part. Let's change this to a cylinder, and this part will be our own coin. Let's change the color to gold, and I'm just going to tell it to click on the part, and let's set it to create a collectible coin that gives 1 point to the player. Let's see if it does it. If it can do this, it would save us loads of time from creating the coin, and then also scripting the coin, and then also creating the leaderboard for the coin. So if it manages to do this, then I do have an idea for the part 2 series as well. Let's see, it added the script over there. Let's anchor the coin. I'll click play here. There we go, the coin does seem to be working, but we still need a leaderboard. So I will push the limits of this, and I'll tell it to create a leaderboard for the coins collected. Create a leaderboard for the coins collected. Now the best part is, once it's doing this, we can also improve the game. So I'm just going to add some zombies. I'll change the color of the base plate, and I'll change it to grass as well. But it seems to be all done before I manage to change the color of the base plate and the material. That's quite impressive. So we do need to copy the script. Let's click plus, add a script, and then paste the script over there. Let's click play. There we go. And that seems to be working. I'm genuinely impressed by this right now. So I'll see you again in the part 2 series. I have a big idea that we can do with the assistant. Let's call him Bob, and let's see what Bob can do in the other games as well. Give it a try, test it out. I can't wait to see all of the games that you create. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.